Hello everyone, in today's tutorial I will show you how to turn off your dark mode in Microsoft Office Word. So the first thing that we have to do is to go to our themes settings. To do so, all you have to do is uh, firstly open your Microsoft Office Word. Then, if you open it from a document, just click on File. You will find this window here. And if you just click on your Microsoft Office Word application, it will open in this window. As you can see here, here are the settings tab that we can go to. Of course, you will think that we need the option words or settings and go to display to find the themes, but no, all you have to do is go to account and click on it. Here you will find this window. Here you can sign out from your office account and or switch accounts and manage the license and everything. As you can see here, you can update your office or getting information about the software you are using. But we are just interested in the display or theme settings, and you will find them here. As you can see, there is the background office settings and there is the office theme. Here is the, as you can see, I did black uh, theme. To turn it off is just to click on using the white theme simply. So this is how you turn off your uh, dark mode on your Microsoft Office Word. Thank you for watching and goodbye.